Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to prevent Chrome from saving your browsing history. So this is pretty much a very used feature, lots of people are using it, and that's why the devs on Google actually implemented a thing called incognito mode that lets you achieve this exact thing. So in order to open that up and browse safely without sharing your information and having your data saved in the browser or through the sync in Google, click on three dots and then choose incognito window. And now, as you can see, Chromium, well, it's just my custom browser. Google Chrome won't save browsing history, cookies inside data, and information entered in forms. So as you can see, none of this will be saved. And as you can see also in this particular tab that we don't have anything connected to our Google account, right? So generally, if I go back here, I have some kind of resemblance of profiles, right? And in here, it's just completely gone. And yeah, you're just browsing from a blank slate. Enjoy the guide as always, guys. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe.